Please inform your friends. Good afternoon, everyone. Arwa, please put a message in the group quickly to join. Tell everyone to join quickly.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Yes, ma'am. Sure, to join.
Inform everyone. Okay, so in the last class, we started with time, speed, and distance, right? So today we are going to continue with time, speed, distance. Okay, so in the last class, what we have done basic of time, speed, and distance. So let me revise it quickly. So what was the formula? Speed is equals to distance upon time, right? Speed is equals to distance upon time. Second thing which we learned, that is equals to distance upon speed, right? And distance is equals to speed into time. Okay, so same formula can be written in three different ways. Speed is equals to distance upon time, time is equals to distance upon speed, distance is equals to speed into time. Also, we learned unit conversion, right? Unit conversion we learned. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Also, 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds, right? Also, we learned if we want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 by 18. Remember, I told you this conversion. Kilometer per hour to meter per second, you multiply by 5 by 18. And if you have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, you multiply by 18 by 5. Just reverse it. 5 by 18 and 18 by 5, right? Is it clear to everyone? These basic things. We have done this in the last class. So those who have missed the previous class, please go on YouTube and check the video. Okay. So today we are going to do second part of the time, speed, distance. Okay. So we will continue with the questions. Okay. So we have done till question number 12 in the last class. Today we will do question number 13, 14, and 15. Do 13, question number 13. Please mute yourself, everyone. Keep yourself muted. Sachin, did you solve it or you are just guessing it? Have you solved it? Good, very good. Okay, so the question is, it takes 8 hours for a 600-kilometer journey. Okay, if 120 kilometer is done by train and rest by car. So by train, how much? 120. And by car, how much? 600 minus 120. 480 by car. Okay. It takes 20 minutes more if 200 kilometer is done by train and rest by car. Okay, so this is case 1 and case 2. In case 2, they are saying 200 if 200 kilometer done by train. So for train, 200, and then in that case, car will be 600 minus 200, 400. So from this first case to second case, it takes 20 minutes more. From here to here, how much is the gap? 20 minutes, right? Okay. So the question is the ratio of the speed of the train to that of car. Okay. So let's say the speed of train speed is, let's say, X, and car speed is, let's say, Y. X kilometer per hour and Y kilometer per hour. Up to here clear? Question is clear? There are two cases. First case, 120 by train, 480 by car. Second case, 200 by train and 400 by car. And it takes 20 minutes more. From case 1 to case 2, the gap is of 20 minutes. Okay. Now we have assumed the train speed is X, car speed is Y. Okay. So how will we solve it? Tell me, anyone, what should be the next step? How should I make equations? And also it is given that 600 kilometer, 8 hours. So in the first case, it is 8 hours. In the second case, it is 8 hours plus 20 minutes. Yes, very good, Sachin. So what will be the first equation? First equation will be distance upon speed plus second distance upon second speed is equals to, this is time 1, this is time 2, total time is 8 hours. So this is my first equation. Similarly, make second equation. Everyone, please make second equation. Same way. Case 2. Make equation for case 2. Yes, correct, Zishan. Next, what will I write? Plus. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Everyone is giving me the correct value. Yes. 200 upon X plus 400 upon Y is equals to 8 hour and 20 minutes. Now, minutes we cannot write. So we have to convert minute into hour. So 8 plus 20 by 60. Correct? Converting minute into hour. So this is 1 by 3. 8 plus 1 by 3. 8 plus 1 by 3 is how much? 8 plus 1 by 3. No, Zishan, it will not be equal to 8. It will be 8 plus 20 minutes. 8 plus 1 by 3. Very good. 25 by 3. Right? 8 plus 1 by 3 is 20. Wait a minute. 25 by 3. Just we have to solve equation 1 and equation 2. Solve these two equations. Yes, perfect. Correct. Solve these two equations. Okay, so solving is easy, not difficult. First, divide first equation by 8 on both sides. Can I divide by 8 on both sides? Yes. 8 ones are 8. 8 15 times 120 and 8 60 times. Got it? Same, I will divide the second equation both side by 25. 25 ones are 25. 200 divided by 25, 8. And 400 divided by 25, 16. Correct? So now my equation becomes 15 by x plus 60 by y is equals to 1. 8 by x is equals to 16 by y is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, let me write it on a new page. What was that? 15 by x plus 60 by y is equals to 1. Wait a minute. Equals to 1. And the second equation was what? 8 by x. Okay. 8 by x plus 16 by y is equals to 1 by 3. Okay. Now we have to solve. Solve it. How will I solve this? Okay. So to solve such type of question. Yes. Wait a minute. I just now did that calculation. See here. See that? Dividing first equation both side by 8 and second equation dividing both side by 25. By simplifying it, yes. Now wait a minute. No, do not solve it in xy term because it will become complicated. X into y will become complicated. Dennis will solve it in another way. So let's say 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. This will help me to solve the question easily. Put 1 by x is equals to a. Yes, Dennis, that is also right. Correct. You're doing it in the right manner. But a lot of people will not be able to do it in that manner. So that's why I am doing this. 1 by x is equals to a, 1 by y is equals to b. So it will become 15a plus 60b is equals to 1 and 8a plus 16b is equals to 1 by 3. Correct? Now multiply this 3 on this side. So it will become 15a plus 60b is equals to 1 and 24a plus 3 into 16, 48b is equals to 1. Right? Yes or no? Now it becomes simple. It's become both equation is equals to 1. So I can equate it, right? So it means 15a plus 60b is equals to 24a plus 48b. So this will become 60 minus 48. 12b is equals to 24 minus 15. 24 minus 15. 9. A upon B will be how much? A upon B. 12 by 9. 12 by 9, cancel it. 12 by 9. 3 4s are 3 3s are. So A upon B become 4 by 3. A upon B become 4 by 3, right? That is A upon B. Now in place of A, put 1 by x. In place of B, put 1 by y, because we want to get the value of x and y ultimately. So in place of A, put 1 by x. In place of y, put 1 by y. So what will I get? X upon 3 by 4, not 4 by 3, because when you write 1 by x upon 1 by y, it will become y upon x, right? Y upon x is 4 by 3. So x upon y is 3 by 4, not 4 by 3. Answer is 3 by 4. Yes, correct answer is 3 by 4. So where is our question? The answer is 3 by 4, option C, not option D. Not option D, option C. Done, everyone? Okay, next question. Question number 14. Yes, Zishan, they will ask you this type of question. So you have to get better at calculation. You have to calculate fast. There's no easier way to do this. You have to do calculation fast. But with practice, you will learn how to calculate fast, right? It's all about practice. Read the question. A farmer traveled a distance of 61 kilometers in 9 hours. 61 kilometers in 9 hours. Okay. He traveled partly on foot and partly on bicycle. Okay. So foot and bicycle. Let's say the distance traveled on foot is x kilometer. On foot he is doing x kilometer. So remaining distance on bicycle. So remaining distance will be how much? 61 minus x on bicycle, right? So what I will do? I will equate the time. So in the first case, what is the time taken? Distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Second case, what is the time? Distance upon speed. And total time taken is how much? 9 hours. Just solve this equation. Take LCM. What will be the LCM? LCM will be 4 into 9, 36. 36 divided by 4, 9, 9x plus 36 divided by 9, 4, 61 minus x is equals to 9. Okay. Solve it. This 36 will go on the right hand side. So I can, instead of here, I can write it here. Okay. 9x plus 4 into 61. 4 into 61. 244 minus 4x is equals to 9 into 36. 324. Yes. 9x minus 4x, 5x is equals to 324 minus 244. 324 minus 244, 80. X is equals to 80 by 5. Answer is 16 kilometers. Right? Everyone getting 16? Yes. Done, everyone? Question number 15. A man covers a distance, certain distance at certain speed. So let's say distance is x kilometer and speed is, let's say, y kilometer per hour. Because we don't know both of the things. We don't know distance also, we don't know speed also. So let's assume distance is x kilometer per hour, x kilometer distance, and speed is y kilometer per hour. Had he moved 3 kilometer faster? Okay, so I will make case 1. In case 1, they are saying if he had moved 3 kilometer faster, means y plus 3, he would have taken 40 minutes less. So 40 minutes less. Case 2, if he had moved 2 kilometers slower, means earlier the speed was y, now 2 kilometers slower, y minus 2. So he would have taken 40 minutes more. So 40 minutes more. In the first case, 40 minutes less. Second case, 40 minutes more. Okay, now we have to make the equations. What is the normal time taken? What is the normal time taken? Normal time taken is x upon y. Right? This is the normal time taken, distance upon speed. But in this case, 40 minutes less. In the second case, 40 minutes more. So normally time taken minus the extra time taken. This is because 40 minutes less. Since this is in minute, we have to convert it into hour. So divide by 60, right? This is in minute, we have to convert it into hour. So this is our equation 1. Similarly, make equation 2. x upon y minus 2 because it is taking more. So this one will come first and the usual will come later. And this is equals to 40 upon 60. Equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, now we have to solve this. Read the question and then understand the equation. Read the question properly. Read it, you will understand what I am doing in the question. Because the question is kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. We know kilometer per hour. We take seconds when it is in meter. Distance is given in meter. Because we want to find the answer in kilometer, therefore we are converting into hour. Yes, equation 1 is equals to equation 2. Correct, because both is equals to 640 by 60, 40 by 60. Solve it and tell me. Solve it. Okay, I will solve both the equations. Please pay attention here. So what is my first equation? X upon y minus x upon y plus 3 is equals to 40 by 60. Equation 1. Okay, if I take LCM, I will get y plus 3. Okay, and what will I get here? I will take x common. First of all, wait a minute, let me do it again. I will take x common, 1 by y minus 1 by y plus 3. Set. Okay, now I will take LCM, y into y plus 3. So I will get y plus 3 here and minus y is equals to 40 by 60. Now what I will do? Y cancel, y minus y, 0. So this will become 3x upon y plus 3 is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, cross multiply. What will I get? 9x is equals to 2y plus 3. This is becoming my equation 1. After solving, I am getting this by equation 1. Similarly, solve second equation also. In the same manner, take x common first and then solve second equation. Solomon, basic maths. This is just basic maths. Okay, let's solve second equation. What is my second equation? If I take x common, 1 upon y minus 2 minus 1 by y is equals to 40 by 60. X common, let's say LCM is y minus 2 and y. I will get y minus y by 2, y minus 2 is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, y minus y will become 0 and minus 2 will become 2. So 2x upon y minus y bracket y minus 2 is equals to 2 by 3. Again cross multiply. So I will get 6x is equals to 2y bracket y minus 2. Correct? And 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 3x is equals to y minus 2. So this is my second equation after solving. Correct? So you have your first equation also ready. This is your first equation ready. 9x is equals to 2y bracket y plus 3. And this is your second equation ready. 3x is equals to y bracket y minus 2. So my first equation is 9x is equals to 2y bracket y plus 3. And second equation is 3x is equals to y bracket y minus 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. Divide it. Divide both the equations. If I divide 9x by 3x is equals to 2y y plus 3 upon y minus 2. Divide it. What all can I cancel? Zoom user, your name is not there. Please, what time does the classes start in Nigeria? Right now it is 2:41. So 41 minutes before the current time. Okay, so x cancelled, 3 3s are, y cancelled. So I will get 3 is equals to 2y plus 3 upon y minus 2. Okay, cross multiply. This will go over here. So 3y minus 6 is equals to 2y plus 6. Y is equals to 12. Y is equals to 12. Yes or no? I will get y is equals to 12. Yes. Now put the value of y is equals to 12 in first equation. In this equation, put y value. So you will get x value also. Put y is equals to 12 in first equation. So if I put 12 here, 2 into 12 bracket 12 plus 3. So 12 plus 3 is how much? 15. 15 into 12 into 2 is equals to 9x. 9x is equals to 360 basically, right? 15 into 12 into 2, 360. So x is equals to how much? 9x is equals to 360. X is equals to how much? 40, right? X is equals to 40. X is equals to 40. We'll go to the question. The distance in kilometer, X value they are asking you. So distance in kilometer is how much? 40. Right? Yes. X is equals to 40. Okay. Now, these are the basic questions we did on time, speed, distance. There is one more important topic in time, speed, and distance, that is average speed. Okay. So let's understand the formula first. What is average speed? Average speed is equals to total distance traveled upon total time taken. Okay, so this is your formula of average speed. Total distance traveled upon total time taken. Clear to everyone? Okay, now let's say a truck travels 60 km in first hour. Listen to me carefully. A truck travels 60 km in first hour and 80 km in second hour. Truck 60 kilometers in first 1 hour and then 80 kilometer in second hour. Total 2-hour journey. So find the average speed. Find the average speed. Find the average speed. What is the formula of the average speed? What is the formula of average speed? Total distance traveled upon total time taken. What is the distance traveled? 60 plus 80 is the distance traveled. Total time taken 1 hour and 1 more hour. So 2 hours. So 140 divided by 2, 70 kilometer per hour. So I will say that the average speed of truck is 70 kilometer per hour. I don't know why people are getting 86. Basic question, very basic question. I've given you the formula also. Okay, listen to the second question carefully. Listen to the second question carefully. Suppose a bus travels first 240 kilometer. Bus travel 240 kilometer at 80 kilometer per hour. Bus travel 240 kilometer at 80 kilometer per hour. Okay, bus travel 240 kilometer at 80 kilometer per hour. And next cover 360 kilometer at 90 kilometer per hour. Find the average speed. Find average speed. Do not forget that your average speed formula, what is your average speed formula? Total distance traveled upon total time taken. Total distance traveled upon total time taken. Wrong. Total distance traveled upon total time taken. Yes, correct. Abdul, your answer is correct. Dennis, your answer is also correct. Okay, tell me what is the total distance traveled? Total distance traveled? 600, right? Total distance traveled is 600. Simply 240 plus 360 is 600 kilometers. So this is your total distance traveled. Now, second thing which we need to calculate. This we have calculated. Total distance traveled we have calculated. Total time taken we have to calculate. Okay, so how will we calculate time? How will we calculate time? Case 1, what is the time? And case 2, what is the time? Case 1, what is the time? Case 2, what is the time? Yes, case 1 time is 240 by 80. That is 3 hours. Case 2 time? Yes, 360 by 90. That is 4 hours. So what is the total time? 7 hours. So we know total distance, we know total time. Put it in the formula. Put it in the formula. What is the formula? The formula is total distance traveled upon total time taken. Just put everything in the formula. Yes, this is very easy actually. Total distance traveled upon total time. 600 by 7, 85.71, right? So my answer is 85.71 kilometer per hour. Done. Very easy. You just have to find total distance upon total time. Done, everyone? Should we move to the next question? Please tell me. Yes. Okay. Next question. Let's say total distance is given to you. Total distance is 600 kilometer. This is your total distance. Okay. Total distance. Now, a bus travel 120 kilometer at 40 kilometer per hour speed. So the question is, 120 kilometer is done from the 600. Remaining 480 kilometers at what speed? This you don't know. So that average speed become 60 kilometer per hour. So now average is given to you. Two speeds In the previous questions, I was giving you two speeds, right? Speed 1, speed 2. In this question, speed 2 is not known, but you know average speed. Again, use the formula. Let's say this is x. Assume that this is x kilometer per hour. Everybody hurries in telling me the answer. You do not listen to the question, you do not pay attention at all. What is the formula? What is the formula? Wrong, Ashu. Not possible. What is the formula? Yes, Dennis, your answer is no, not right. Dennis, your answer is not right. What is the formula? Tell me the formula. What is the formula of average speed? Total distance traveled upon total time taken. So, average speed is total distance traveled upon total time taken. Now tell me, do I know the total distance traveled? What is the total distance traveled? What is the total distance traveled? 600. So this part we know, this part is 600. Okay. Total time taken. Now there are two cases. In case 1 and case 2. Case 1, how much is the time taken? How much is the time taken? Case 1, 3 hours. 120 by 40, 3 hours. Okay. In the second case, what is the time taken? 480 by x. So this plus this. So 3 plus 480 by x. Yes or no? I'll throw all of you out of the class because nobody is paying attention in the class what I'm teaching. Everybody just keep writing. Just keep writing the wrong answers. Do this. In the first case, the time taken is 3 hours. In the second case, what is the time taken? 480 by x, because we don't know the time. So we will, what is time formula? Distance upon speed. Distance is 480, speed we assume x, so for 480 by x. And do we know average speed? Yes, average speed is how much? Average speed is 60. So we have to solve this equation. Okay, so I will solve it now. 60 into 3 plus 480 by x is equals to 600. 60 ones are 60, 10 times. So 480 by x is equals to 10 minus 3. X is equals to 480 by 7. 480 by 7 is how much? 68 point. Yes, 68.57. Yes, that is the right answer. 68.57. Yes, Dennis, your answer is correct. Everyone done? Okay, next question. Question number 1. Question number 2. Okay, question number 1 and question number 2. Only 2 questions. Okay, take 5 minutes and solve this. Okay. Question number 1. Let's solve question number 1. A truck goes from Haryana to Bangalore with an average speed of 60 km per hour. So, Haryana to Bangalore, truck going speed is how much? 60 km per hour. Okay. The journey takes 30 hours. Okay. So, speed is 60 km per hour. Time is 30 hours. Okay. It returns from Bangalore to Haryana on the same road with an average speed of 40 km per hour. So, going speed, returning. Returning only speed is given. Speed is how much? 40 km per hour. Read the question. What is the average speed of the truck during the round trip? Okay. So, can we find distance? Can we find distance between Haryana and Bangalore? What is the distance between Haryana and Bangalore? By first statement, you can find it. Yes, very good. Distance will be speed into time. So distance is equals to 60 into 30. 1800 kilometer, 1800 kilometer between Haryana to Bangalore is 1800 kilometer. In the second case also distance remain the same because it is returning from Bangalore to Haryana. So distance is how much? This. So can we find time? Time is equals to distance upon speed. Time will be how much? 1800 divided by 40. So find time 1800 divided by 40. So time is 45 hours. Okay. Now what is the average speed formula? What is average speed formula? Total distance traveled upon total time taken. Total distance traveled upon total time taken. What is the total distance? Haryana to Bangalore and Bangalore to Haryana. So 1800 plus 1800. This is the total distance going and coming back. Right? Total time taken in the first case, time is 30. In the second case, time is 45. So 30 plus 45. Average speed will be 3600 divided by 75. Answer is 48 kilometer per hour average speed. So the answer for the first question is 48 kilometer per hour. Very easy. Okay. Second question. Do not forget, whenever you need to find average speed, you have to find total distance and then you have to find total time. Both the things are important. Total distance, total time. Okay, let's do second question. A speeding car travels at 40 km per hour, decide to slow down to 30 km per hour after covering half the distance. So let's say the distance is D, or distance is, let's say, X kilometer. Distance is X. So first half, X by 2 kilometer at what speed? 40. Second half at 30. Okay. Again, I will use the same formula. Total distance traveled upon total time taken. What is the total distance? Total distance is X. Correct? First half and second half, total distance is X. So average speed is total distance traveled upon total time taken. Total distance is X. Okay. In the first case, what is the time taken? Time is equals to T1 is equals to distance upon speed. So X by 2 upon 40. T1, what will be T2? X by 2 upon 30. So T1 is equals to X upon 80 and T2 is equals to X upon 60. So X upon 80 plus X upon 60. Okay. Now solving. If you take X common in the denominator, what will you get? If you take X common in the denominator, what will you get? X upon X 1 by 80 plus 1 by 60. X cancel. So 1 upon 1 by 80 plus 1 by 60 you need to do. 1 upon 1 by 80 plus 1 by 60. 1 upon 1 by 80 plus 1 by 60. LCM of 80 and 60. LCM divide by 10, 8 and 6. Divide by 2, 4 and 3. Then divide by 4 and then divide by 3. So 10 into 2 into 4 into 3. 10 into 2 into 4 into 3. 240. So 1 upon 240. 240 divided by 8, 3 plus 240 divided by 60, 4. So this 240 will go in numerator. 240 upon 70. Upon 7, not 70. 3 plus 4, 7. 240 upon 7. Answer is Answer is 34.28 kilometer per hour. So what is the answer? Answer option is 34.28 is 34.29. I can mark option A. Answer option A. Got it, everyone? This is very important topic, average speed. Okay, very important. At least one question will come from average speed. Previous page, okay, ending page, this. I will give you more question to practice. Don't worry. I'll give you more question to practice. Solve this one. Yes, Dennis, your answer is correct. Abdul, tell me the final answer. Option. Yes, Arva, your answer is also correct. Yes, Abhiraj. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. I think now you have got how to do this type of question. Yes. Total distance traveled upon total time taken. One standard formula. There is no other formula. Yes, everyone is giving me the correct answer. Very easy. Very good. Total distance traveled 320. Total time taken. That's it. This is your average speed. $320 divided by 2.5 plus 2. Answer option is C. Right? Okay, now check everyone. I'm giving you the link in the chat box to practice more question on time, speed, and distance. Check the link, everyone. Open the link and check. Everyone open the link and check. Everyone checked the link? Please check the link. How many questions on first page? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 question on first page, and check how many such pages are there. Go down and check how many such pages are there. 49 pages. Can you see that? So 8 and everyone saw the pages? Wait, let me show you the screen. See this. This is the page. Can you see it on your screen? Okay, so time, speed, distance question. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. So in first page, 8 question. This is page 2. Now after this, like this, page 3, page 4, page 5. See the last page. So 49 pages. So many questions, right? So please practice. And see here, there's an orange box here. Can you see this? This one? Important formulas. You will see all the formulas also there. Correct? All the formulas are also given to you. All right. So you have to practice. There's no other way. I've given the link in the chat box. Scroll up. I reposted. Check the link. Okay, guys, I am not available next week. Okay, so today is my last class with you. Not for this week. Next week I'm not available. So I take your classes on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursday, right? So for this 3 next week, some another trainer will take your class. Let me tell you the dates. So 27th and 28th and 30th. This 3 days I will not be taking your class. Some another trainer will take your class. I'm going for a vacation, sorry. So tell me what topics you want to do. What topics you want to do. Because I will tell that trainer to do those topics for you. I will suggest, because a lot of new people have joined, I will suggest that you guys do revision of percentage and profit and loss. I will do all this. Yes, percentage, profit and loss. Okay, because the revision is very, very important. See, we have almost finished our syllabus. Okay, almost 90% syllabus is already done. Okay, so now we will start with revision, and revision will be fast. Okay, so once I will be back, we will do lot of revision. Yes. Okay, for the new student, I will suggest please go on YouTube and check the videos of this topic before attending those sessions. So today is what date? Today is 23rd, correct? So you have 3-4 days. 3-4 days, right? I will do all other topics. Don't worry about it. So revision of percentage, profit and loss, and revision of coding and decoding. Okay. So these 3 topics will be done for you in the next batch. All right, guys. '27th, 28th, and 30th. Percentage, profit, loss, coding, and decoding. So at least this much revision is done for you. Okay, so let's continue with the class. We have another 30 minutes. So what we have done, we have covered basic time, speed, distance question. We have covered averages also. Okay. Next is problems on train. Next topic is problems on train. All right, let's begin with problems on train. Okay, so what type of question they ask in train? First of all, to start with, you should know the unit conversion, because sometimes you have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So I told you, you do it by multiply by 5 by 18, and meter per second to kilometer per hour, you will do 18 by 5, right? These two things clear? The speed of the train sometimes given to you in kilometer per hour, but the length of the train will be given to you in meter. So then in that case, you have to do the conversion. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? 5 by 18 or 18 by 5? Okay, all right. Yes, sometimes the speed length of the train is given to you in meter and the speed is given to you in kilometer. Then you have to convert it. Okay. Now let's understand what type of question they can give you. What is everyone writing 150, 150? What is this 150? Abdul, what is this 150? Why everyone writing 150? No, I am just telling you unit conversion. I have not given you any question for which you are giving me the answer. Where is the question? Which question I have given, Abdul? No, let's not solve. Sorry, my mistake. So let's not start solving questions immediately. Wait a minute. Okay, understand the concept first and then we will start solving the question. Okay, understand the question first. Okay, wait a minute. My mistake. All right. Okay, so what type of question you can get? Let's say this is a train. Okay, length of the train is given to you, let's say L1, and let's say there is a platform, or let's say bridge. The length of the bridge is given to you L2, and speed of the train is given to you ST. So what type of question they can ask you? They will ask you in how much time the train will cross the bridge. In how much time the train will cross the bridge. So what the train has to do? The train has to enter in the bridge first, right? So train will start moving like this. And then it will cross when it will cross? When train will be here completely out of the bridge, right? When train will be here completely out of the bridge, then only I will say the train crossed the bridge. So how to do this question? Time is equals to L1 plus L2 divided by speed of the train, right? Length of the train plus length of the bridge divided by speed of the train. Got it? Very simple. Because in this question, one object is moving and one object is stationary. Bridge is not moving, only train is moving, right? So only one speed is required. Is it clear to everyone? Why we have only one speed? Because one object is moving and one object is stationary. Got it? Yes or no? Yes. So only speed of the train is required. Now let's say there are two persons. Person A, person B. Both are walking towards each other. Both are walking towards each other. The distance between them is, let's say, X kilometer. Distance between them is X kilometer. Both are walking towards each other. So they will meet somewhere on the path. Let's say speed of the first person is SA and speed of the second person is SB. Now the question is, listen to the question. In how much time the person will meet? In how much time the person will meet? So the time is equals to distance upon speed. Now what speed I should write? Because there are two speed, S1, SA and SB. Both person are moving. So what will I do? Add. I will add it. SA plus SB. Because they are walking towards each other. This also walking here, this also walking here. Yes, correct. So from here, understand one thing. When two objects moving towards each other, or I can say when two objects moving in opposite direction. They are moving in opposite direction. B is moving this side, A is moving this side, opposite direction. You will add the speed. Note this down, this is important. When two objects moving towards each other or in the opposite direction, we will add the speed. Yes, you will add the speed. Two things moving towards each other, right? Second question. Let's say this is a person A, there's another person B. The gap between them is, let's say, X kilometer. B is going in this direction and A is also going in this direction. Same direction they are going, back to back. B is slightly forward and A is coming from behind. Now, in this case, in what time A will overtake B? In how much time A will overtake? A will overtake B. Time. In how much time A will overtake B? No, time. What is the time formula? Distance upon speed. Tell me, what is the time? T is equals to, just like this, tell me, T is equals to what? T is equals to, in this case, what is the time? Distance upon speed. So tell me, what is the distance and what is the time in this case? Distance upon speed. Tell me. Write in this manner. Write like this. Tell me, what will I write in this case? Yes, T is equals to X upon SA minus SB. T is equals to X upon SA minus SB. Yes, all these videos will be on YouTube. You can find all these videos on YouTube. Arva, please add this person to the group after the class, not in between the class, after the class. Okay, is it clear? So from here, note one thing. When two objects moving in same direction, speed is equals to difference of two speed. In the previous one, we were adding. In this one, we will subtract. Note down these two things. This is the first one. Note it down. When two objects move towards each other, add it. And when move opposite to each other, when move opposite to each other, add. Move in the same direction, subtract. Clear to everyone? Both the cases. Okay. Now, let me give you a question. I'll give you a question. Let's say this is a train A. The length of the train is, let's say, 100 meter. Train A. There's another train B. Length of the train is, let's say, 125 meter. Both are going in the same direction. Speed of train A is, let's say, 10 meter per second. Speed of the train B is, let's say, 5 meter per second. The distance between them is, let's say, 175 meter. Look into the diagram and let me know if you understand everything. First train length 100 meter, second train length 125 meter, gap between them 175 meter, speed of A, first train is 10 meter per second, speed of B 5 meter per second. Now listen to the question carefully. In how much time train A will overtake train B? In how much time train A will overtake train B? In how much time train A will overtake train B? So what is the T formula? Distance, add all the distance, 175 plus 100 plus 125. Divide by speed. What will be the speed now? Both the things are going in the same direction. What is the speed now? Both the things are going in the same direction. Same direction. Yes, same direction. We always take the difference. Minus, same direction minus. So it will be 10 minus 5. Now do the calculation. One 175 plus 100 plus 125. 400 divide by 5. 80 seconds. This is time, not a speed. It will not be meter per second. No, not meter per second. Seconds only, time. In 80 seconds, train A will overtake train B. In how much time train A will overtake train B? In 80 seconds, right? Clear to everyone? Because that length also traveling. Yes, this is an important question, that why do we add length of the trains? Because the length of the trains are also distance. Got it? Okay, next question. Let's say length is 125 meter. Train A. length 120, 175 meter. Gap between them is 200 meter. Speed of train is, let's say, 10 meter per second. This is, let's say, 15 meter per second. Both are going in the opposite direction. They are coming towards each other. Opposite direction. Both are going in the opposite direction. They are coming towards each other. Find the time in which it will overtake the find the time in which train A and B will cross each other. Find the time in which train A and B will cross each other. So what I will do, T is equals to 125 plus 200 plus 175 divide by, now tell me whether I will add or whether I will subtract. Add, correct? I will add because they are going in the opposite direction. So 10 plus 15. 500 divided by 25. In 20 seconds. Answer is 20 seconds. Correct? All right. I'll give you link to the questions to practice yourself. If you're not getting anything, we'll do it in the next class. All right. Check everyone link in the chat box. Everyone check the link in the chat box. So these are all the questions on trains. Let me show you. Everyone check the link in the chat box first. Okay, let me show you questions now. See, everyone check the screen. Okay, so question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pages? 3 pages here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many questions? 31 questions. So you have 31 questions to practice. Okay. See, this exam is all about practice. The more you practice, the better you will become. No matter what, how much I teach you, it's about practice. Okay, so I've given you all the basic formulas required for practice. This is very important. Formula 1, when two objects moving in the opposite direction, add, and when two objects moving in the same direction, subtract. All right, done everyone. So I've given you 2 links today, one for the time, speed, distance question practice, and another is problems on train. Okay, solve this much and we'll meet you. I'll meet you in the next week. All right, everyone. Thank you. Those who are new to the batch, please talk to Arva. She'll add you to the group. Pranita has given the link. So those who are new, please click on that link and get added in that group.